Ngamawaka abantu abangungelene kwisixeko saseThekwini kwiphondo laKwaZuluNatal beyokuzonwabisa njengoko sele liphakathi ixesha leziyunguma kodwa iziganeko ezibini zokuhlatywa kwakunye nokonzakaliswa kwabantu kubeke ichaphaza elibi ukuqala kwelixesha leeholide. Amapolisa aseThekwini athi kuhlatywe kwasweleka ethangeni umuntu oneminyaka engama-22 kulwandle iSouth Beach.
Itheku lithathwa njengezinda sezokungcebeleka. Iningi labantu lizoyijabulisa khona. Kepha-ke izinga eliphezulu lokusetshenziswa kotshwala kuyayikhathaza ivakashi. Amapolisa athi iziganeko zokulwa kwabantu kusadalwe uphuzo oludakayo lapha. Kukwazwe kwabulawa umlisa oneminyaka engu-22 eSouth Beach. Akekho oboshiwe ngalesigameko. Kwesinye isigameko kuboshwe omunye wesilisa oneminyaka engu-22 obesolwa ngokugwaza omunye.
We established that there were 2 people stabbed and there was a mob of drunken people with them around them. The South African Police Service is investigating the scene.
Ngaphandle kwalezi zigameko, ivakashi emabhishi zithi zizizwa ziphephile.
Indaba ye-safety lana ngibona i-safety i-tight kakhulu.
Durban's been exciting so far. I can see the vibe. I can see the people have came out from each province.
Khona manjalo umkhandlu udolobha eTheku uthi awuzukubabekezelela abadlebelekayo nemidlwembe. Kusanda kuhlaselwa abasebenzi abathathu bomkhandlu egamekweni ezahlukene.
Amapolisa ready kakhulu ukudila nemidlwembe ngoba esikushilo kunye ukuthi akufuneka umuntu mayeboshwa umdlwembe nje obulichaza igama bese umuntu ehambela yena ayongena evenini. Fanele umuntu angaboni ukuthi ungene kanjani evenini.
Eyindabeni ze SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.